Welcome to 66735 Buena Vista Avenue. This home offers 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom, 1404 square feet, a large backyard, 2-car garage, and loads of upgrades. Beautiful floors, recessed lighting throughout, sliding doors that leads out to the front courtyard with drought-tolerant landscaping and the views of the mountains. Who can appreciate wonderful lighting, an open kitchen, quartz countertops, loads of cabinet space, equipped with all appliances, dishwasher, microwave stove, and refrigerator, and your farmhouse sink with lighting above. Within this open space, we also have a deep closet, our common area bathroom with shower tub combo, lots of lighting, one bedroom that leads out to a patio with double sliding doors, double closet space, also lighting on the inside, and 2 separation rack. With the sliding doors and window, you can't help but get natural lighting. And a lush backyard. It's an enhanced private backyard. Your ensuite bedroom, also with double closet space. And lighting as well. Here's your ensuite bathroom. Glass door shower. Again, beautiful floors. Great lighting. Lots of counter space. Lots of drawers. And the little things that means a lot. The finishings. Yes, it makes a difference. Now come with me, let's go to the third bedroom. This bedroom also has recessed lighting and great natural lighting, double sliding doors, double closet, and yes, it leads out to the backyard. And here is your enhanced private backyard. Your covered patio. Smart light. And 2025 electrical panel. Gives buyers the ease that knowing that that's one expense they wouldn't have to worry about. There's so much you can do with a backyard that offers this setup. Very well done. Look at the decor on your brick fence. There is so much space for family entertainment and making memories. And yes, it does have the HVAC that is also newer, and your solar panels. And again, with 2 backup batteries, give you peace of mind. Again, mountain views.